Hi traders, Joseph here from Eightcap. Welcome to the last trading day of the week, and today's report we're going to focus on the Euro and the Euro Yen. So we're looking at the Euro USD daily in front of us at the moment, and we've been a little bit surprised by this current move down. So we have seen risk markets generally stronger to the USD of late, but we have seen the Euro declining. Now this could be partly due to some of the Brexit news that came out recently. And what we're looking at now is we saw a small fight back yesterday from buyers, and we are seeing a failing rally today, and we're wondering now if that's going to be a new extension lower. Now this is all sort of lining up with the trend break that we have seen just of this fast trend here. Now we've seen quite a few lower highs set up now, and that is a failed fight back rally, which is close to failing at the moment. So the last low down at this point at 1.1168, and we're starting to think if we're going to see a new move down to test that point. Our break of that sort of sets up an idea that we've got a medium-term downtrend starting to establish. But if we see a hold there, then we would be looking for a possibility of maybe a further higher low to maybe suggest that we could see another leg up. But without getting too far ahead of us, we're just concentrating on this rally at the moment and this current decline down, and if we're going to see a further decline to sort of test these lows. Now just going over to the Euro Yen, it's quite a similar story, but we have the same lower high pattern after that and a failing fight back rally. We also have a little bit more definitive trend break here. It's a long-term trend that's been broken, and now we're just going to see, like with the Euro USD, if this lower high does continue to feed supply, and we do see continued selling, and it's a fair move down really to test that low. So this first step we'd like to see from sellers, if they do get going, is a break of this point at 119.89, and if we do see a close below that level, then we'll be looking for a possibility of further selling down to test that low. Now with this trend break and new downtrend that's currently in motion, we do have a rejection of the -50 on the Williams, and it isn't really a key indicator, but it does back up that there is a possibility that sellers are higher in number, but we really need to see some confirmation on that from price. So I've probably said this a few times, that indicators are good if they give you some value to what you're doing, but price is key. And whenever you do see a signal on the indicator, I personally like to see that price backs up that indicator reading and confirms it, and you're not just solely relying off a indicator to make your trading decision. So we'll see what tonight brings, and we'll see if sellers do get underway. If we do see buyers regroup and continue to hold, then we'll look into next week to see if we do see some new lower highs set up, and if we do see some sort of counter fight back. But at the moment, we're really just watching to see what sellers can do if they do hold the numbers at the moment. So have a fantastic weekend, enjoy the rest of today's trading session, and until our next report, good trading and bye for now.